So I have a really bad migraine and can't do my homework at the moment. I need to write a gender resume for my women and men in media class. So instead of working on that, I'm going to do this accent tag video from, what is her name even? Juicy Couture? Other Juicy Star 07. That's what it is. I've been watching her videos since she started. Do you think that I would remember her username? Her sister Elle, like Blair's the one who did it, and her sister Elle also did it, and so I guess it's kind of a response to both of theirs. And I have my glasses on so you see the reflection because my head hurts so bad. I feel like I'm going to get sick to my stomach. So I'm trying to alleviate a bit with my glasses. So the first section is just different words and how I say them, and then the second part is questions and like just what I call different things in different areas, like what I call things that other people might say differently. So the words are aunt or aunt. I don't really say aunt, I just say aunt. Roof, route, as in the route that you're going to take, I guess. Well, I guess it could be route. I guess that's the same way to say the same word. I always say route. Wash. Around here, people say wash. I say wash. Oil. Or oil. Oil. I don't really say oil. I say oil. Feeder. Iron. I used to say iron really funny. How did I used to say it? Iron. I don't know. It was really funny. Salmon. Although I always read it salmon. I know it's salmon, but in my head I think salmon. Then caramel or caramel if you're trying to be fancy. Fire. Water. Water. Sure. Data or data. Kind of say it both ways interchangeably. Ruin. 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 Crayon. New Orleans. New Orleans. Pecan. I say pecan. I say pecan. A lot of people say pecan. I remember one time when I worked at a frozen custard place, me and this guy that I worked with had a big fight. It was pecan or pecan. Like, it's pecan. Both. Again. Probably. Although I never say probably. I always say probably. Spitting image. Alabama. Alabama for short. Lawyer. Coupon. No, I say coupon. I know people who say coupon. I make fun of them. Mayonnaise. Syrup. What do other people say? Syrup. I don't know. Pajamas, or I call them jammies. Cot. Naturally. Aluminum. An envelope. So, well, and all these words probably change if I sit next to someone different. Oh, my light went away because I don't have the lights on in my room. But for the most part, that's how I normally say them. Now for the questions. What is it called when you throw toilet paper on a house? TPing. I hate TPing because you normally do it in the dark, and I hate walking around the country in the dark. What is the bug that when you touch it, it curls into a little ball? I call them roly-polies. I don't even know what the real name for them is. But there are some, they look exactly the same, but they don't curl up all the way. They're kind of like armadillos, but bug form. What is the bubbly carbonated drink you call? Sometimes it's soda and sometimes it's pop. I mean, this is Indiana, so it's kind of like we're the north-south, if that makes sense. Like, at least where the area I'm from, it's like We have a lot of the same things as the South do compared to other states that are as north as us, but we're still north, so it really depends if it's a pop or a soda. It's both. What do you call gym shoes? Sneakers? Sneakers or tennis shoes? I don't know which one I say more, actually. I don't really wear sneakers or tennis shoes. Well, I have a pair of Vans that are kind of like that. I just call them my Vans, so. Eyebrow. This eyebrow's going crazy. What do you say to address a group of people? I say, hey kids. Even though they're mostly older than me. Hey kids! Hey kids! Goodbye kids! Have a nice afternoon, kids. Or say, you guys. I don't say y'all. No, not me. Mostly hey kids. And what do you call the kind of spider or spider-like creature that has an oval-shaped body and extremely long legs? I'm guessing they mean a daddy long leg. They're daddy long legs. What do you call your grandparents? Well, for my grandparents on my dad's side, I call them grandma and grandpa mostly, or I call them G-units, because I like to pretend that they're actually rappers when I'm not there, and it's G-ma and G-pa, and they make up the G-units, G-unit, but, no, I normally call them grandma and grandpa to their faces. And my grandpa on my mom's side, I call him grandpa to his face, but if I'm talking to someone else, I call him Grandpa Gary, just to distinguish between the two sides of the family. And my step-grandmother, I call her Terry. And my mom's mom, she passed away, but when I speak about her, I call her my mom's mom, or her name. So, yeah. What do you call the wheel contraption in which you carry groceries at the supermarket? It's a cart. A cart. I don't know what this buggy is. My friend Crystal, she's from Alabama, and she calls it a buggy. And I make fun of her all the time. Except for I was in Target the other day, and I heard someone say, hey, can you go get me a buggy while I wait? And I was like, who are you? It's called a cart. Cart. What do you call it when the rain falls and the sun is still shining? I call it, oh look, it's raining and the sun is still shining. Maybe there's a rainbow somewhere. I don't know what else you call that. And what is the thing you change the TV channel with? A remote. It's a remote because it controls things. Just like you have remote control cars. Can't even see my hands. Remote control cars. You have a remote for the TV. And, or a changer. I guess I call them a remote and a changer. I guess it depends what you want to do with the TV. So, that's it of this video. I'm kind of feel like doing more videos. Maybe I will. I'm kind of in a video making mood. If I talk, kind of makes me think less about my headache. And I like that you can see when I'm recording, my glasses. If I took my glasses off, can't see guys. Or if I just keep them like this. This is how I'll do my videos. No, it's not. Okay, I'm rambling enough, so we'll just stop it.